Hi guys, welcome back here to Drone Emotion, a channel where we do drone videos and where we cover the most relevant drone news. Today my friends, we're back here once again with breaking news, and this time guys, it's the DJI FPV drone once again. And let me tell you something, today's video is going to be very exciting. Why am I saying this? Well, because we have multiple videos of the DJI FPV drone in flight that just got leaked. So today we're going to be sharing those videos with you, and also we have the first leaked video of the DJI FPV drone starting up. That is right, the full setup when you first turn on your drone. We have it for all of you in today's video, so it's going to be a very exciting video and you don't want to miss out on it, my friends. It's going to be really good one. But before we get started, if you're new to the channel, welcome here, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so that you can keep up to date with the latest drone news. And also, if you want to participate in our next giveaway, make sure that you subscribe to the channel so you can be eligible to participate in it, my friends. So with that being said, let's go ahead and dive right into today's video, which is going to be a very exciting one. So in our last video, we shared with you the release of the DJI FPV drone confirmed subliminally by DJI. So if you want to go check out that video, make sure you do so. It's in the channel. It's a really good one. But today we're here because we're going to be talking about the leaked FPV drone video. So right now, at this moment, I am pretty sure that all of you have seen the FPV drone. So today we have multiple videos that just got leaked. I'm gonna get started with the first video that just got leaked thanks to Osita LB once again, and this is going to be the startup of the DJI FPV drone right here on screen. And there we have it. So first thing that we notice is the noises that it makes. So as Osita LB mentioned, this sounds weird. So it's a pretty weird sound when compared to a normal drone. It sounds like, I don't know, like a Star Wars Vader, I don't know. It sounds pretty weird. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn on this drone right here, the Mavic Air 2, so you can see how this sounds. It's going to be completely different. So there we have the DJI Mavic Air 2 starting up. So when compared to the FPV drone, it definitely does seem quite different. The noises that it makes are very prominent and different to what we are accustomed to seeing with the normal DJI drones, to put it that way. Now, that is the first thing that I wanted to cover in today's video. Now, let's go ahead and dive into the second topic, which is the FPV drone in flight. That is right. So my friends, I don't know if you remember guys, but a few weeks ago, I will say around 6 weeks ago, there was a video that got leaked of presumably the FPV drone in flight. So we share with you that video. For those of you that missed out on that one, I'm gonna go ahead and replay it right here. But today we got a second video, so I'm gonna go ahead and play the first one from a few weeks back right here on screen. And there we have it. So that was the first video of the FPV drone in flight. So a lot of people were skeptical, saying, oh no, that's not the FPV drone, but we can clearly see that the silhouette is clearly the FPV drone silhouette. Now, today, my friends, just today, there was a second leaked video of the FPV drone in flight, and this time it was in the snow. That is right. So without any much further ado, I'm going to go ahead and share it with all of you to see. There we have it. So it looks like the DJI FPV drone is going to be able to fly in cold weather, so that looks like that will not be an issue. Now, what is very interesting is the sound that it makes. So in case of you in case of you guys are not accustomed to flying a Mavics, the Mavic drones, which really don't have a high pitch compared to the Mavic Air. So these ones don't have that high pitch whenever you fly it. Now, the Mavic Air the original had a pretty high pitch, and now when we hear the FPV drone in flight, we can clearly hear it's going to be a very high pitched drone, and it's normal because that's the noise that FPV drone makes. So that's pretty interesting because we finally have the sound that this drone is going to be making while in flight. So I really like that, and that now proves that the FPV drone is in existence, and we can clearly see it flying. So it looks like it's going to be a very agile drone and very fast drone, my friend. So that's all that I got for all of you today. So that's all the leaks we have so far. As soon as we have any more new leaks, videos, or anything regarding DJI or the FPV drone, we're gonna keep you guys updated here in the channel. That's all I've got for all of you today. Thank you for watching, and see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Drone Emotion, signing out.